Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing manufacturing industries. In that already we have discussed about a classification of industries and textile industry, that is agro-based industry. The second subtopic of in agro-based industry, that is cotton textile. Cotton textile previous video we are discussed. In that, in these after the independent or the before the independent cotton textile, it was flourished. Yes, now also it is, they are giving the so much importance for the cotton textile because it is agro based industry, and along with that this cotton textile, they are giving so many implementation development, and they are giving the opportunity for to the employment also. Yes, so for example here the ginning and spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing and packaging and tailoring, along with that they are creating different types of the job in that textile industry. While here two important two places they are the highlighted, that is one is Maharashtra, another one is Gujarat. Why this two place has taken the so much importance of these cotton textile? Because of the climatical condition, and the labors, skilled labors are the available easily in these two places, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Population is more, and transportation, coastal area it is there. For that they will get the easily availability of the each and every sub part of the cotton industries, that is a cotton, raw cotton, they will available there, and skilled labors are available, transportation is available, water resource also is available in that Maharashtra and Gujarat. In whole world, the whatever the fabric and the cloth garments are the making ready in these two places, they are the sending the other places also, that is giving the opportunity for to the foreign exchange through our country. And the hand spin khadi, that is here in India we are using the two types of the looms. One is a power loom, another one is hand loom. The after the independent power loom, they are given the so much importance, it will be finished very fast uh, weaving or the preparing a ready-made clothes. India exporting the other countries, other part of our country, that is the Japan and USA, UK, France, Russia, in European countries also it will be distribute the which is the yarn or some part of the ready-made clothes. And handlooms, they are giving the so much importance. The worldwide cotton yarn they are giving, our spinning mills are competitive in a global globalization. In that competition, they are giving a very high quality yarn, they are producing the very high quality yarn in our country. In cotton textile, when we see these at present, the cotton textile, they are implementing, that is yarn and spinning and dyeing, they are implementing through machineries, new technologies they are using, and new ideas they are using for to the implementation of these cotton textile. And where these two places we are discussed, Maharashtra and Gujarat, where the very climatical condition is very sufficient for to the grow the cotton also. And this cotton textile, they are when they are weaving or the different job opportunities they are giving. Yes, so today's segment we are highlighted some part of a cotton textile. For the reference, you can refer the NCERT test 10th grade textbook. Thank you.